Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and I'm back with a new drawing video, and this one is the first custom drawing for Dani Carvajal. He messaged me on Instagram and he liked this drawing right here I did over 5 years ago. The original idea of this drawing is from Limandao. I was inspired by his drawing back then. He's a great artist, so definitely check him out, and Dani wanted a new version of this drawing with my current drawing skills. So let's get right into it. I'm starting with a very rough layout just so I know where to start, and this is also a very nice orientation for me. It's a very complex drawing, so a small guidance is very helpful. So as I'm working on this drawing, I got back my YouTube channel just a few days ago, and at this point the channel was still demonetized. YouTube told me just to wait, as I got back the channel just recently, so things might take a few days. Anyways, I'm not doing YouTube just for the money. I'm uploading these videos for 10 years now, so this is a very big part of my daily routine, and uploading videos is just fun, so of course I keep doing it. As a full-time artist, the income from YouTube is good, but mainly I live from commissions like this one. In the last weeks, I was working on smaller and more simple drawings to keep the content going, because after this commission right here, I will start on 3 A1 size drawings, and 2 of them are really crazy, so stay tuned for that. And guys, if you are also interested in custom drawings, you can message me on Instagram, Facebook or email, so we can talk about your unique piece of art. And to follow my drawing steps in real time, you can subscribe to my second channel to see the evolution of these drawings in full time. These videos are up to 12 hours long, so take a look, and we will now finish the line art of this commission. Alright guys, the line art is done. I think it looks amazing. Goku looks dope. I love the pose, and now we will color this. As always, I'm using Copic, Arrtx and Ohuhu markers for the coloring, and I'm starting with Goku. So in order to create the perfect coloring, first you have to choose the perfect color tones. I spent a good amount of time finding the perfect matching tones for my drawings before I start the coloring. This can really take some time, but then you can really focus on the coloring. I also had to pay attention to not overcolor the Kamehameha waves, and I'm also adding the second layer of ink to this drawing in the coloring process, same as for the previous drawings. And now, let's color Goku. Perfect. Goku looks really good, badass pose, and the coloring fits him very well. Now we are coloring the Kamehameha with the waves and then moving on to Boo. So this is the first custom drawing for Danny Carvajal. I appreciate the support, and if you guys are also interested in drawings like that but have no idea how it works and what exactly a commission is, let me tell you. Imagine you have a vision in your mind, a unique character, an epic fight scene, or maybe bringing 2 or more anime worlds together into one drawing. An art commission is like sending a personal invitation to an artist to bring that vision to life. Reach out to me on Instagram, Facebook or email, share your ideas with me, and then we will create an amazing piece of art together. It's a collaboration where your imagination meets the artist's talent, resulting in a one-of-a-kind creation that reflects your personality or story. So send me a message and let's get started, and now we will finish the drawing and I see you at the end again. Let's go. So guys, last touch, and then we finished another commission, and this one looks really good. It turned out better than I have imagined. First I had huge respect before starting this because of the complex pose of Goku, but it was pretty easy to draw actually. The background also looks great and Boo looks real evil in that distance. A really good drawing, and Danny Carvajal is very happy with his first commission. Prints of this drawing are not available as custom drawings belong to the clients only, but on Etsy you can find prints for other drawings of mine along with original and digital drawings. All the links down below. Thank you for watching guys, and I see you on the next